Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question 32 from CBSE Grade 10 Standard Math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/4/1. A part of the 32nd question. A person on tour has 5,400 for his expenses. If he extends his tour by 5 days, he has to cut down his daily expenses by 180. Find the original duration of the tour and daily expense. There are two things that has to be solved. One is the original duration and the daily expense. So let's assume variables for these two. Let x be the duration and y be the daily expense. The amount allotted is 5,400. That is xy is equal to 5,400. Let this be equation 1. The second sentence says if he extends it for 5 days, that is, the duration is made as x plus 5. He has to cut down his daily expense by 180. That is, y has to be reduced by 180 to keep the amount the same. Allotted amount is that 5,400 only. For that, certain adjustments are done in the days and the expense. Based on that, x plus 5 times y minus 180 is equal to 5,400. Here xy is 5,400 according to equation 1 plus 5 times y. Y can be expressed as 5,400 upon x. So replacing that, we get 5 into 5,400 upon x minus 180x minus 900 is equal to 5,400. 5 times 5,400 upon x minus 180x minus 900 is equal to 0. Dividing this equation by 180, we get 150 upon x minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. Taking the LCM, we get 150 minus x square minus 5x equal to 0. Multiplying this equation by minus 1, we get x square plus 5x minus 150 equal to 0. For minus 150, let's take the two factors as 15 and minus 10. The product of these two gives minus 150 and the sum of these two gives the coefficient of the middle term. Now rewriting this equation, x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. That is x minus 10 times x plus 15 is equal to 0. The two values of x are 10 and minus 15. Minus 15 becomes invalid as duration cannot be negative. That is, the duration is equal to 10 days. And the daily expense is 5,400 upon 10, which is rupees 540. The B part of the 32nd question, the total cost of a certain piece of cloth was rupees 2,100. During special sale time, the shopkeeper offered 2 meter extra cloth for free, thus reducing the price of the cloth per meter by 120. What was the original per meter price of cloth and its length? We have to get two things. One is the price per meter and its length. Let's assume x as the original price per meter and y is the original length. To get the total cost, we have to multiply x and y. That is, xy is rupees 2,100 according to the question. During the festival season, the shopkeeper is trying to give some offer to the customers. That is, he has increased the length by 2 meters. That is y plus 2. And reduced the price per meter by 120. That is x minus 120. The product of these two is again 2,100 only. New length is y plus 2. New price is x minus 120. The product of these two is equal to 2,100. On expanding the left hand side, we get xy minus 120y plus 2x minus 240 is equal to 2100. Here xy is 2100 minus 120 times y can be written as 2100 upon x. So in the place of y, let's write 2100 upon x plus 2x minus 240 equal to 2100. 2100 on the left and right gets cancelled. Taking the LCM, we get x square minus 120x minus 126 followed by 3 zeros equal to 0. For minus 1,26,000, we take the two factors as minus 420 and plus 300. So rewriting the equation, we get x square minus 420x plus 300x minus 1,26,000 equal to 0. On completely factorizing, we get x minus 420 times x plus 300 is equal to 0. The two values of x are 420 and minus 300. X equal to minus 300 stays invalid as price can't be negative. Therefore, x is equal to 420. That means price per meter is rupees 420. The original length is equal to 2100 upon x, which is 420, which gives us 5 meters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.